Hi, if you are a teacher or a parent and feel responsible for the education of a teenager, then watch this entire video because in this video I am going to present an opportunity that teenagers can use to experience the world and cause personal development for themselves from the safety of their homes. My name is Ninad Sharma, and since 2003 I have been running volunteering and educational travel programs for young people and teenagers. I am an active advocate of international volunteering, president of the International Volunteer Travel Association, and the best-selling author of my book, Make Travel Matter. In our programs, we would get students from different parts of the world, 37 countries to be precise, to come and involve themselves in community projects in order to gain an in-depth cultural experience as well as get the contributory feeling that boosts their self-esteem. In 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic struck us, we have had to take this program online. So the online volunteering program is an opportunity they can avail in just 1 hour per day for a minimum of 4 weeks at any time convenient as per their schedule. Let us look at some broad benefits that teen or young adult students can get from this program. Right now, many parents, many teenagers are facing the challenge of not being able to go to school or be able to interact with their friends as freely as they could do in the past. This program offers the opportunity for people to experience another part of the world and its culture from the safety of their homes. It also allows them to cause personal development that I will tell you more about in just a bit. Plus, they do not need any prior experience or educational qualification to be able to participate in the program. Let me go a bit more in detail about how this exactly works. The kind of projects that they can choose from are mainly around teaching kids.
Perfect. I'm going to share my screen and then go ahead and stand up so we could do it together. But let me go ahead and share real quick.
Or teaching special interest groups like orphans or young monks. Or more informally, do women empowerment activities through education. The selection of this project depends on the time of the day they are able to spare that 1 to 1.5 and sometimes 1.5 hour during their regular routine schedule. Based on that, they are allocated a project in a country that matches their time. During the work, they are provided entire support in terms of what work to do, how to do it on a day-to-day basis. Plus, there is somebody on site in the country who is with them while they are teaching virtually. Typically, this is a local person that is able to support them on a daily basis. For an element of fun, we would also give them local language lessons, and optionally, they can participate in local cooking workshop, learn to dance, or get to know the life of regular people in the country by participating in a virtual tour and interaction session with a local family. Let me also share with you the personal development side of volunteering. You see, for most people, the idea of volunteering is something about giving back. Now, the idea of volunteering is about giving back. But on the other hand, it is also about gaining a lot of skills and positive values from the experience. Take self-discipline, for example. The idea that a teenager or young adult will be preparing for his or her lessons, be present for taking care of their class on a daily basis, 5 days a week for a whole month, is already the start for them to get a taste of discipline. They also get to develop gratitude. One complaint from many parents that their children are not always appreciative of the facilities and the privileges that they have. And in fact, this can sometimes be an issue, a problem that teachers also face. Now, by simply the act of interacting with a less fortunate community or a less fortunate group of young people, even children, in another country by itself begins to get them a wider perspective on what life can be in another part of the world for their counterparts. And this helps them begin to appreciate their privileges a lot more. Also, by virtue of the fact that this is being done in another country where the internet might break down sometimes there's a power cut, and things don't always go as planned, is something that helps young people develop more patience and tolerance. When it comes to tolerance, people also get to see that there are other points of view that exist in the world, and that gets them to expand their vision and to get a better understanding of other people in their immediate surroundings. They also begin to develop their leadership because for the first time perhaps in their life, the buck stops at them. They are the ones that are leading their classroom. They are the ones that are leading their project. If they are a non-native English speaker, it can help them to practice their English. It also helps them improve their public speaking skills. And perhaps one of the most important things that comes as an outcome of volunteering is that they get to feel better about themselves. They can see that beyond the immediate periphery of their families, their siblings and their parents, that they matter in the world, that they can make a difference. So here's what we have. For just 1 hour per day, in as little as 4 weeks, kids can go from being bored, feeling stuck, and watching endless television to developing themselves, making a difference, and seeing the world. If you feel really interested in this opportunity for the teens that you feel responsible for, then get in touch with me and let us put their time to some really good use for them. Thank you for watching.